The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety today announced that the 2023 Mazda CX-50 crossover has been added to the list of Mazda vehicles that turn its highest award, the 2022 Top Safety Pick Plus. To qualify for the 2022 Top Safety Pick Plus award, the 2023 CX50 earned good ratings in each of the Institute's 6 crashworthiness evaluations: driver side, small overlap front; passenger side, small overlap front; moderate overlap front; original side, roof strength, and head restraint tests.